So hello everyone, welcome to Coders Daily, and in this particular video we are going to solve another HackerRank C programming question known as 1D arrays in C. Right, so let's just start with reading the problem statement. Alright, so as you can see over here, this particular question is built to teach you two things. One is like how to create an array inside C, right, and how to perform any operation on that particular array using a for loop, right? So what this particular questions want is, right, first of all you need to take an input n, right, which would be the size of an array. All right, secondly, second step would be to create an array of size n, right? So we need to create an array of size n. Let's just say if the value of n is 10, so we'll store 10 elements inside this array. If the size of array is 20, n is 20, we'll store 20 numbers in this particular array. Thirdly, do the sum of each and every number of this array, right? So let's just say if the array is 10, 20 and 30, it's holding the value of 10, 20 and 30. Our output should be 30 plus 20, 50 plus 10, 60, right? So just read a value n. Secondly, create an array using that particular n. Size of the array would be array of n. And third, do sum of all the numbers inside that particular array and print it out, right? So let's just jump into the problem statement and create our code. All right, so I'll just take and create a variable int n. After that, what I'll do is I'll just scan f. I'll do scan f percentage d comma and n. Got it, right? After that, what I'll do is I'll create an array of size n. Then for int I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, I'll do input of that particular array using scan f bracket percentage d comma and array of I. Got it? Once this is done, I'll again create a variable int sum equals to 0. So because I need to do sum of each and every numbers which I have inputted in this particular array over here. So I'll do sum of all the numbers. For that, I have created a variable which I have initialized from 0. So int I equals to 0. Again, I is less than n, I plus plus, bracket open bracket close, sum plus equals to array of I, right? So this is our code. Finally, what I'll do is I'll printf percentage d comma sum. Finally, this is my complete code. I'll try to run this code and see if it works. Yes, it does work, and I'll submit this code. Okay, so we are done with this particular code.